Welcome everyone. You already learned the power of Python list. Today we level up. You will learn how to clean, filter, transform, flatten and optimize lists like a professional Python developer. These tricks are used daily in interviews, projects, data analysis, automation and AI. Let's begin with code. Let's say we have a list 1, 2, 3, 4, then 2, 3, 4. So we have a list with duplicate values. So we have to remove the duplicates from this list. So we have a way to remove this. So we are going to use for x in, let's say we are going to store this with list underscore 1. So we have list underscore 1 and we are going to use the loop on this list. So what we want, we are going to create another list here which will handle unique list, and this is empty. And after applying the loop on list 1, what we are going to check, if x not in unique list, then x dot append, then unique list dot append x. So if I run this Python day, save this, and if I print this, print unique list, you will get without any duplication 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have one way. This is the old way, using 4 to 5 lines. So Python give us a smart method to get the list without duplication. So what are these methods? Let's see. Let's say list without duplicate. So first of all, we will apply the set on list 1 to get the unique values, and then we will convert let me print something, let's say 20, print 20, and this will be still, as you see, I am getting a dictionary, not a list. So we have to convert this. Set basically give us a dictionary, so we have to convert this to list using the list method. And if I print again, you will see I am getting the list without any duplication using the smart way, list and set. Set will give us the list values without any duplication, but in the data format is dictionary.